Live from Tijuana, Mexico. It's Happy Thursday. I'm here with, Lynette, what's your name?
Lynette.
Good. I know, that was a Saturday Night Live thing. Okay, now, what part of we're in Tijuana, Mexico. Now, what part of the world did you come from?
Las Vegas, Nevada.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Weren't you warned about Mexico?
Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. There are so many stupid stories out there.
Okay, did you have any trouble crossing the border or anything else?
No, actually, I think it took me like 4.5 hours to get here. It was so smooth, just straight through.
Okay, yeah, Vegas is a quick shot.
Yeah.
Now, what'd you come down for? What were you looking for?
Right when I turned 50, I decided to kind of, like when you go to the mechanic and you plug your car in and say, tell me what's wrong with it. I decided to do that. And I just wanted to get all of the tests that you offer. The live blood analysis was blew my mind, and I'm hooked.
Okay, now this is unusual. I know a good health strategy is to wait till you get really sick and then try and repair stuff that breaks. Okay, 90% of the nerves that come off the spine, there's no pain fibers. So, I mean, what kind of work do you do? Because, I mean, this is brilliant.
I'm a massage therapist.
Okay, so you're already into health and you know about how people work and things.
I do.
Okay, totally cool. Okay, now I know your blood test. Your blood test is totally cool. You've had a couple of them so far. Mm-hmm. Did you see a difference in one as opposed to the second one?
I did. I've been doing it since February was my first analysis, and I've been doing it every month now, and I cannot believe the difference. And I mean, just looking at my blood cells and being able to visualize how my body's healing, that's just golden to me.
It's one of the reasons we do a live blood cell analysis. I'll show you one guy, 35-year-old guy. He was a canola farmer from Canada. So you're talking glyphosates all over the place. It looked like worms, that all the red blood cells were stacked up. And when you see that the blood can't hold oxygen, and this is immune system, oxygen, it's everything. So to see your blood cells change, I mean, literally, you see them clump together to start holding oxygen. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's
yes.
Picture. Okay, you've done the chiropractic? Uh-huh. Was that fun?
It was awesome. The first time, oh my gosh, I thought I was on drugs or something, and I remember I grabbed you and I was like, wait a minute, I feel so different, and it just felt so euphoric, and I could feel that my body was coming back to life.
Was this your first chiropractic adjustment ever?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
What we do is...
For the most part. I've been snapped a little bit here and there, but not like what you do, the actual specialty of correcting what's wrong. And my whole life has changed since then. Just we talked about my pelvic region, mm-hmm. and I don't know if I say too much, but my menstrual cycle has shifted, and that was part of my problem with my blood is I was losing too much each month before I could build it back up. And now that things are more, is it called aligned? Mm-hmm. It's just changing everything. I have more energy. I'm sleeping better at night. It's amazing.
But before we remodeled the office in the kids area, we had this big old huge tree, and on it were all the kids that were born from women that couldn't get pregnant. And
wow.
so I mean, you hear it all the time because the pelvis houses everything. And then you've got this plexus called the sacral plexus that innervates everything. And if you're in a stress state, that doesn't work right. Yeah. So this is totally cool.
Yeah.
Now there's people out there because you're unique. I mean, for one, you're looking beyond symptoms. You're not waiting to hurt or anything. And you're seeing, then you cross the border and you're a blonde girl mm-hmm. in Mexico. Mm-hmm. I know I've got 3 blonde sisters, so it's okay. Well, what could you tell people? Because there's so much fear and ignorance out there that, I mean, to take charge of your health takes a boatload of courage.
Yes,
okay.
It does.
How could you motivate someone?
I would just say, do some research, but you can't listen to what everybody's saying because it's really not the truth. And if you just come down here, I feel more safe here than a lot of places in the States, to be honest. And there's places in Las Vegas I wouldn't go. I'm sure there's places in Mexico I won't go, but Tijuana this clinic is so easy to get to. It's very safe. They have security. We stay at the hotel here, and it's wonderful. The service here is amazing. It's a great experience. And also I don't feel like a number in this clinic. I don't feel like at home, these doctors just want to give you poison and surgery, and I want to fix what is wrong or what's potentially going to be wrong. And you're going to get a different medical freedom in Mexico than you do in the States. And that's just my experience.
I've got 3 restaurants that are my favorites. And, it's honest to God, the maitre d's, I mean, they remember you, but it's warm. It's genuine.
Yeah.
I mean, it's my staff down here, we literally hug in the morning. And that's a normal greeting.
Well, I got hugs from the doctors when I came in. That never happens. Cool? That never happens in the States.
It's just warm, loving. Take charge of your health. Okay, be courageous. Come on down. And is the food better in Vegas or better in Tijuana?
Oh my gosh, it's so much better here. You got to try Emma's, you guys.
Emma French?
Yeah, that one, yeah.
Yeah. The lamb is out of this world there.
Oh my gosh, I love that place.
Yeah, and Placencia across the street's amazing. And then RX Capital is right across the street. And then there's a mall a block away. It's just fun.
Yeah, and there's a smoothie place across the street too.
Did you get the cold press organic juices while you're getting the IVs?
Oh no, I didn't know we could have that.
I'll show you that.
That's happening tomorrow.
That's across the street. Take charge of your health. Okay, this clinic, if you can't get to this one, look for a Huggins protocol dentist. If you can't get to a corrective chiropractor, find one. Okay, just have them be able to take an x-ray and know they're going to take a second x-ray. But the pre and post blood test, that because what's your blood look like? I mean, you can literally see a difference, right? Because you did the ozone, and ozone destroys pathogens in there. But then you follow it with an antioxidant, and you literally see the blood cleaned up and healthy. That's bitchin'. Okay, you rock, hon.
I've reversed my age, I swear.
Yeah, well, I did. There's an IV called anti-aging, and I said, be really careful because they're going to ask you for your ID.
Oh, that'll be nice. I better have it. I got my passport. I'm good.
Get down here. Take charge of your health. Do not take a drug for a symptom. Remember, that's pharmaceutical industry up there. The sickest industrialized nation of the world is America because we have a pharmaceutical-based regulatory capture. All the doctors, the schools, the testing, it's all captured by the pharmaceutical industry. Take charge of your health. You don't need more drugs. You need more life.
That's right.
God bless you. You're perfect.
Thank you.